One of the most fundamental parts of doing business on the web is keeping your customers' information safe. Fear of hacking and other security breaches still makes a lot of people jittery about disclosing their credit card numbers and other private information online, like their home address and telephone number. And if they suspect that it could be compromised when they make a transaction on your site, they're going to take their business elsewhere. That's why you need an SSL certificate for your website. SSL certificates protect credit card transactions, customer data, and user logins with virtually unbreakable 256-bit encryption and 2048-bit key size. So, when your visitors see the HTTPS prefix, padlock icon, and the Trusted Website Protection seal on your site when they start a transaction, they know that the site is secure and that your business can be trusted. And if you purchase a high-end extended validation certificate, the distinctive green address bar in the browser will show your visitors that your business is legitimate and has been vetted according to the most stringent standards in the business. All of our SSL certificates offer 99% browser and device recognition. And unlike many of our competitors, we won't charge you for each server. One SSL certificate covers unlimited servers. Best of all, our SSL certificates cost up to 90% less than what our competitors are offering. But make no mistake about it, the savings in price does not mean that we've sacrificed anything in terms of security. Our SSL certificates rely on the very same technology and stringent industry standards and provide the very same level of security as those of our competitors. Strengthen your reputation so you can increase sales and gain new customers. Get your SSL certificate today